Hi there, I'm Ashley Shaw from System 1 Research based in our New York office. I love partnering with many of our clients to help gauge effectiveness and consult on the development of highly emotional ads that drive long-term brand growth. One executional element that can go a long way in this is fluency. Some really great ads achieve that greatness by leaning on what people already know and love most about a brand. It could be a familiar situation or slogan, a well-loved character, or even just a fresh take on a brand's distinctive assets. Incorporating these fluent devices is a great way to build your brand's fame in a non-intrusive and System 1 way. In this next ad, you'll immediately recognize a familiar character created in the 50s that gets a modern makeover and learns some new moves that'll make you smile. Mr. Clean, Cleaner of Your Dreams uses one of the brand's most distinctive assets to create an entertaining ad that drives surprise, happiness, and amusement, all while keeping the brand front and center, and keeping it simple enough that you don't have to think about who it's for. So let's check out the next ad and see what you think.